Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Carol and I'm going to be in my big art journal today again, and I am going to try and do some windows in here. So I don't know how well it's going to go. I have this picnic book, and the reason I want to use this is because of these girls in here. I think these girls will be really cute inside the windows. Now I do have some papers, and these are vintage papers that I had gotten on Amazon. There's a whole slew of them, and I thought they're pretty big to use in this journal. So what I have to do is just cut the hole here and cut this out, and then I should be good to go. And I think I'm going to do this first because I need one for each side. So I'm going to go on this side and then put this one on that side. And I did bring out other frames that I have, so I may use these. And I did bring out other ones. I don't know where they are. I think they're in here. So I do have these frames also that I can just stick on another page, you know. So we'll see what happens. And then I have these florals, and I went through my stash. So I have these, they're called Drunken Rose, and they're flower stickers, rose stickers, and they're really cute. So I thought, you know, it's all kind of vintagey looking, and so we'll see what I can do. And then I do have these pretty little doilies. I've used these before, so we'll see if we can get them in there. And then I have some lace washi tape, and then I have flowers, although these really bug me because half of the time when I try to take them off, I rip the flower in half. So we'll play with that and see what we do. I don't know if I'm making Dutch doors or if I'm just gonna, I really want to use these papers though. So I guess what I'm gonna do is put them both together. Yeah, I think I'm going to put them both together and see if they are cut, if I am able to cut them straight. I don't know. So I need this and this. I'm just going to try it. I don't want to because I need to make the hole on the paper. So hopefully this does not move. I don't know if this is the right way to do it, but let's see. I should think about this a little better. I need this here straight piece. I just have to hope these papers don't move, and you know, then I'll be good. So okay, let's see. Okay, so we have that. They're probably going to move, so let's hope for the best. Whoops. Oh, there must be something on this middle piece. Okay, so I'm holding tight. So this is probably not the right way to do it, but it's my way and it's what I'm doing. It's really not my way, but it's what I'm doing right now. hope I'm cutting through the two papers and the paper. Okay. Okay, went through there. Oh my gosh, it did not, it only went through the first one. Oh golly, oh well. And it went pretty good through this. Okay, so, oh boy. So I guess I'm going to do it this way. It really doesn't matter. So, okay, let's do this over again. I'm going to hold it tight again, and I'm going to do it this way. Now I have to go through two. There's got to be an easier way. No, that's not going to work that way. Oops, my paper moved. Oh well, let's see. I only have the one page to go through. And it didn't go through the paper. Okay, so, let me just get my mat and I'll do it this way. So that wasn't a very good idea. So don't do what I did because it doesn't work. This paper is pretty, I guess it's too thick for this. So I'm gonna have to do that. And I'm gonna have to do it this way, but I think I'm gonna need this again. Wait a minute, I think I'm doing this. Oh, please don't move. And even if it does move, it's not going to be too bad because we can always fill it in with something from the book. This book here is new, so I just needed to come back in because I had to give it another go. Oh my gosh, this paper really is thick, huh? Oh, brother. Okay, finally. Now that was something. Okay, so I have a piece of string on there. So Okay, so we have this here. Let's see if this one here goes down better. I love these frames. I think it's so pretty. Okay, so I'm going to glue this down. Okay. Okay, I need to get my tape roller. Oh my gosh, it was right here by me. Okay, so I'm also thinking I want to do some inking on here maybe. I don't know. I really don't know. I'm just thinking that's what I want to do. Sometimes I just don't have luck with this tape roller. At least I have some, like, it could be the paper too. It's probably the way I'm holding it. It doesn't, okay, now it's coming out a whole lot better. Oh, look how cute that is, how pretty. So now I'm thinking of maybe, I probably should get this one on. Why is this one, it seems like this is, all right, you know what, I'm going to ink that. Okay, so it's fine. I'm just going to have a little bit of the paper over there, so I can either cut it like this here or ink it. And I think I'm just going to cut it. See how it has this little, the other one just has a little bit over there. I probably should just play it safe and just cut that off with the knife. Oh, but you know what? It's gonna cut the frame. So it's gonna cut the bottom of the frame. So that wasn't a good idea. I'm gonna ink it. If it looks like it needs to be inked. Okay, so now these girls, I really wanted to get them in there. I think these long girls. So I'm going to put her in through, and I'm going to leave it a little bit off so I can get some other things in there. So I'm going to put her to the, well, maybe more toward the bottom over here. Oh, that's cute, and I can maybe get this lemonade. Lemonade over there. Oh, that's so cute. So then if we move it to this side, And you know, maybe I'll put like washi around her. I'm going to get that blanket over there also. So let's get this girl. Same thing. We're going to put her over there. Oh, and let's do this basket of flowers next to her. Oh, is that so pretty? Okay, so if I do this as a Dutch door, I do have, where's that lace? I do have pretty lace. Or do I want to, no, I don't want to do flowers. I think I'm going to do, if I do this, okay, I hope this turns out. I'm really, oops, this is the end of my washi tape. So this is the end right here. There's not, I don't even think I'll, oh boy, okay. I'm just going to hang that over there. And I do have another one. Same thing. I don't know if, yes, I'll be able to do that. So if I don't even know if this is on the same. All right, I may be able to only do one door here. I'm just swinging it. I really don't know how this is going to turn out. And I'm trying to make sure I have this big book in camera because I don't want it to go off camera. So I'm just going to cut this right off. Right? Yeah, I'm going to cut this right off. So I don't think it's going to be a Dutch door. It may just be like a little waterfall. And I have to get this one here. Hopefully I have enough. I think so. But again, I need this so I see where I am. Oops, wrong way. I'm not going to cut it that way. Oh, I do like that. I like that a lot. So what I was thinking is these frames that I have, I'm just going to put things down, you know, different items down and put frames on them. Like something like this. You know, if I put the girl down, I'll just put a frame on top of her. I don't know. But I think I'm going to do another door. And should I do this lace? I don't think I like working with this because it's difficult. It has a backing, and the backing is difficult to get off. I'm sorry I got this kind. I don't even know where the backing is. See, I have the sticky part here, but I don't know where the backing is, and this is not sticky, so Why is that? And I can't see. Oh my gosh, you know, this reminds me of packing tape. If you don't roll it back, see, I can't even get that. I don't even know where the end is. So I'm going to put this off to the side, and I'll deal with that later. I do have other lace here. Let's see if this is. This one here is rolled. But again, where is the, I'm not going to waste my time with that. Okay, what else do I have here? I do have these flowers, but I think maybe I'll bring, do I want to bring this in? I don't have enough of that one. Okay. I'm just looking around me to see what I wanted. I think I'm going to bring this one in. This is like I don't know, like an orchid. So I'm going to bring this in because I'm making doors. I think it'll be fine. Okay, that's a good spot right there. And it's pretty too. This hair washi looks pretty against the florals. So we're going to cut this off. Maybe next time I come in here, I'll do Dutch doors. I just have to think about it a little bit more. And I want to put a lot of decoration on here because I started to write backwards. Not backwards, but from my last... Oh, look. I skipped the page. I think. Yes, I skipped the page. So I'm going to have to do something separately. But I started to write in here, and I just have... There's a lot of space, so I need to put more deco on there. And oh gosh, so let's see. This is going to be my last page, right? Oh brother. Yeah, so I'm gonna try to get these. Actually, what I'm gonna do is I want to put some kind of I'm going to put a washi tape down first. I'm going to use this because grid washi goes with everything, right? Especially with florals, I think. I think grid washi goes with a lot. But let me get this other one on here. You know, when you see, well, for me anyway, when I see all this space here, it kind of it's very intimidating when I see all this space here that has, you know, for writing. So, okay, so I think what I'm going to do here is I'm just going by some washi tape that I have on my desk. Okay, so let's see. maybe I have something in this box. I do have this washi tape. So this is from Amazon. I think I'm going to bring this here out because like the colors are pretty good, and I like that too. So I'm going to bring that down. I'm going to bring this. Okay, that was good. I found it first try. Whoops. I don't know. I think I'm going to put this one first. I like the colors in here. Yeah, that looks so much nicer. And okay, so now I have to take care of this. Oh my gosh. Yeah, see, I skipped this page. So I'm going to have to make one spread over there because I'm not going to add it to this. Now, what do I have? I have this here. Yeah, this one here goes first. Then we have the red. What do I have next? Okay, that's all I have. Oh, that's really pretty. Oh gosh, look, this page is empty. So, let's get some of these flowers. I'm not loving these flowers because this one here came off, but it was on the end, and now I do want to go all the way down. I want to go all the way down with these flowers. These do not come off easy for me. Look, see? This is peeling off. Sometimes I think they're not cut all the way around. Look at this really big rose. It's so pretty. I'm going to have to decorate this with all the things that are in the book because there's so much writing room on here, which is a good thing if you like to journal, and I do, but this is like almost too much room for me. Oh, I'm really happy that these are peeling off good for me right now, because this is usually not the case. Okay, so let's get this off. Okay, so pretty. Okay, so let's go over here to the back and let's bring in some oh, look at these trees. This is a spring book, but it's so pretty. So this will be so much nicer for me because there's going to be a lot on the pages. Oh, that's pretty. And what do we have over here? Let's do this on the other side. Oh, I can't wait until we have picnic weather. I want to get this tree. I want to get this tree over here. We're going to put this blanket right there with the basket. And I think we're going to put this girl right down here. Okay, so we have here, I think this here is so empty, so I want to do something over here. I'm going to have these two girls like talking to each other because this girl is looking that way. I should have laid these down where I can put the frame around them. And this girl is going to be here. Oh, I have a, here's a little heart frame, but it's white. Yeah, these are hard to see. There's some black frames. Oh, see, I didn't lay her down the right way. That's okay. Okay, so now I'm going to put this basket by her because that girl has a basket. All right, I think these pages are done. Oh, look at this. Okay, let's do this. So we have spring in a basket. This is pretty. I want to bring this here down here. And I'm just going to put these little baskets over here. I'm not going to put spring in the basket because it's really not spring yet. I could put sunshine above there, but I don't know. I'm really liking this. This is all my writing, so I don't want to use that, although I could, because you know what? I'm going to put this over here because there's so many stickers in this book. I want to bring something up here just to brighten that up. What about this here? Let's see. I'll take this smaller one. Oh, that's really too close to her head, so we're going to put you back in there. Okay, how about if we put the bike? Because how did she get there? She rode her bike, maybe. Okay. That's cute. And then we're going to put these butterflies. That butterfly up there. And then we have a little floral. Put that by her. I am loving the way this turned out. I'm happy that I tried to tackle this again. So, okay. Look how pretty that looks. All right, so now I have a little bit more clarity on how to use this. I'm loving this. Although I think I want to bring like a flower over there. So let's get some of these. Let's get a couple more flowers. Because I like the flowers going down there. So let's just bring some coming down here. Oh, that's so pretty. I can't wait for spring now. Okay, I think I'm going to bring some of these flowers. On this side. I went over the page. Here's a smaller one. So pretty. Okay, I think I'm finished. I love the way this turned out. Okay, so you'll probably see more of me inside this book. I love the frame. I wonder if there's another butterfly. I'd like to get a butterfly coming in there. Oh, here's one. So let's do this. So cute. And this girl here needs a butterfly. So pretty. Okay. This is a quick little flip through. I love the way this turned out. And it doesn't scare me with having this writing room. But I love the decorations in here. I love this book. Now I have to put all these frames away. I really wanted to use them, but at least I got this one here used. Okay, now that's going to be down. Okay, thank you so much for coming along and joining me through this process. I really appreciate it. And we'll talk next time. Bye.